Hey friends, Hattie here. I am going live in Columbia, South Carolina. I'm actually at our demonstrator retreat. So twice a year, my friend Susan and I, we put on a demonstrator retreat here in South Carolina, and it's a very fun event. One of the things I found out from some of our new attendees this weekend is that they weren't sure exactly what to expect. And so I wanted to go live and share a video all about the demonstrator retreat. Since we're here right now, this is our last day. I want to kind of show you some behind the scenes kind of a view of what the event is like and what you can expect. And hopefully this will be an evergreen video for people who want to attend in the future. So again, Hattie, as you guys know, I'm here at the Hilton Garden Inn is where we host it, and the retreat room is right there. So I'm gonna go, I'll probably walk in there. I'm gonna go show you guys our make and take room as well. But before we get into that, let me tell you about it. So this event was put together so that we could gather demonstrators, Stampin' Up demonstrators together to be able to network and just kind of work together, learn from each other, work on your crafting projects. And then we also design projects for you to create as well so we can inspire you. So the event happens on a Friday, starts on a Friday, goes all day Saturday and Sunday. A lot of people will stay in the hotel here so that they can go to their room and rest if they need to, come back in and craft when they want to, and it's a really relaxing opportunity. Everybody gets a 6-foot table to craft for themselves, and some people's table setups are so elaborate, and it's really fun to see and kind of learn from what other people use and what people buy on Amazon that makes their life easier. And so I always leave here with things in my Amazon cart that I need to buy. But so they get the 6-foot table, they'll get a goodie bag that includes Stampin' Up product, brand new product that they're going to use on their make and takes. Susan and I both will design some projects for them to make over the weekend, and we write a written tutorial. And so everybody that comes gets those projects. And then we also design bonus products or bonus classes that we call add-on classes. And they are priced at an incredible value because they also include product. They'll include the product and all the cut and prep pieces with the tutorial to be able to create those. So it's a very relaxed setting. Good morning. It's a very relaxed setting where they can actually just put the projects together at their own pace. And so let's talk a little bit more about this event, and I'll just show you guys how it's set up. Let me switch my camera around. Okay. So here's our little welcome sign. I'm going to give you guys a peek into this room, and then we're going to go into the make and take room first. But this is our setup. We do have some people who've already left early because they had other commitments, but it was nice to be able to have them come and stay with us for a little while. But down the hall here, and they've actually just refurbished this entire facility, the hotel rooms, the meeting rooms, everything has been redone since the last time we were here. We were here back in October. So we do an event in October and then one in the spring. So here is the make and take room, and it is set up so that people can come in and stamp their projects and then take them back to their table in the other room if they'd like. Some people do a little bit of assembling in here, but typically they are stamping here and taking it back to their table. So we all have the bins with the projects on each table with all the supplies that they need. We did include the supplies that we used on our projects prior to the event. So if people wanted to bring their own product with them and not have to come in this room, then they did that as well. So here are just a few more projects. And then over here. And so the room is a little bit in disarray. Pam, you're so funny. A little bit in disarray, but because it's been used, but I just wanted to show you, we have an die cutting and embossing station. We've got our heat embossing station, so there's one, and then there's the other one. So this room is open for them throughout the entire weekend. On Friday night is when we do our event make and takes, the one that's included in the price of the class or the retreat. So everybody focuses on that. And then Saturday, the add-on classes. So there's 4 add-on classes in here. They get to do those on Saturday, all day Saturday, and all day on Sunday. So that is the make and take room. And then we'll head back into our crafting space here. During our spring retreat, we try to do things that it's a little bit more business, geared towards business. We share just a little bit of business training, best practices, that kind of thing. And then our holiday retreat, that's in October. It's actually the second weekend in October. That one's all creative and all fun. So we have some samples on display. We do card swaps, so people who want to participate in card swaps can do that. They have an opportunity to do that. We also there was like a little coffee bar that was set up there. Our friend Agnes had brought herself some coffee, and there's drinks, and I think there's sodas in here, and some sodas. And then this right here had our raffle prizes, so you have an opportunity to get raffle prizes on our Saturday night party. So let's just kind of check out this room a little bit. Everybody has their own workstation, and I've got it set up. Let's just see what's going on over here. Well, hi, Martinette. Would you like to share a little bit about your experience this weekend?
I would. So, this is how we started. You see it's empty, full of stuff. All right. This is my favorite thing about these retreats.
So cute.
All the stuff. Okay. So, we started with our making tables. Everything is nicely packaged, and you get lots of product. That's my jam. Okay. So, from the maker tapes that come with your registration, by the way, this is what everybody gets. You have the option for the add-ons, as Hattie mentioned. But what you don't quite know is that the add-ons come with even more products. So, again, that's my jam. Look at all the paper packs, full paper packs. Some of this has been cut up because I've been making, but all of the paper packs that we have received to make our add-on classes with the color tutorials. And we received the tutorials before coming, so we could print them out if we wanted to, and you had everything right here at your table. I made the smart decision this time to get all 4 add-on classes, because when I didn't do that before, missed out. FOMO was a thing. So I decided to do all 4 add-on classes this time. Again, with packs of paper and product, ribbon to go along with your projects, all the things. This is a beautiful washi tape roll that is cut with the die, all the things. This is a good value. That's the point that I want.
Oh, thank you. Well, thank you. I would also like to share, so Martinette's we have some people that take the retreat to go. And so Martinette's nice enough to take this back to Pamela. She's got the retreat to go. We also ship this stuff. And so you'll see that you'll get an event bag also, and you'll get a little pretty scarf tied on there. Oh, I didn't know. Is there a light on right here? I think there's a light. Okay. And we'll just show you a little bit of what she's going to get in her to go.
We got the prizes, the Cersei's up there.
Oh, you do?
Yes. Spread the Cersei's out on the table.
Oh, thank you, Trish. Well, you'll see inside here, as we pass out things, this person, Pamela, who missed out, we missed you, Pamela, she's just going to get all of her things sent to her. Okay, so she's actually going to have it hand delivered by Martinette, but we'll ship out the rest of them. Thank you. So where are the Cersei's?
Is that they spoil you while you're here. Not only do they give you the product to go with what you need to create the projects that you're going to get, you can create what you want. You can participate swaps. They feed you all kinds of snacks. Make sure she shows you the snack
I
table.
forgot about that.
And then, they spoil you with Cersei too. And don't ask me what Cersei is.
Oh, okay.
I think it's short for surprises.
Well, actually, no. My friend Lynn, when I moved to South Carolina, she taught me the word Cersei, and it's Southern term for small and unexpected gifts.
Well, there you go.
There we go.
I always thought it was short for surprise. But it works the same way. So I said you'll get like boxes like this one day, and it's got like this one actually has a summer survival kit in it. So you get a little sunblock, etc. in there that they spoil you. So it's not all crafting supplies. It's kind of cool, but it's all kinds of hacks that you can use in life. And sometimes they just spoil you with treats like this, and they're usually mostly handmade. So you get little treats in here. This one, again, all of them are something different. So open it, This one had a little kiss. And this one, they told us, is for our little embossing buddy, and they had our names put on them. So you can see that, and it's really cool. It's a little velvet snap bag that you can keep that in, or anything else that you need.
My friend Veronica actually personalized those for everybody. So thank you, Veronica, if you're watching.
Yes. And then just an empty little box. I was keeping my door prize tickets in it because I tend to lose them if I don't make sure I know where they're at. And then this was my door prize. So you get door prizes and opportunity to participate in raffles where you might win all kinds of stuff, whatever they decide they're going to give us. And this clear bin that we borrowed from somebody else's because mine's jammed full of stuff. And hers just looks nicer than mine. And you can use for embellishments, your tools, like your treats, whatever you want to put into it.
I do love that bin.
And then one thing, if you want to make friends really fast, make table gifts for your table members. Sweets and things always make everybody happy.
That is so true. Thank you for sharing that, Trish.
Well, thank you for spoiling it.
Yes, I love that. Love that I could put you on the spot. Thank you so much. So we've got some more people. They're working. It ends today, and so people are getting their projects done at the last minute. It's a little bit of a mess back here in the corner, but you'll see that this is the snack table. So everybody actually contributes to the snack table, and they get an extra door prize ticket when they do. And it's fun because it's amazing how everybody brings something different. It's such a great variety. But I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I need to share with you guys about the event. The hotel itself, I can't tell you enough how amazing this hotel is. Everybody is so wonderful, accommodating. This is, I think, our 4th or 5th retreat that we've done here at this specific hotel, and we will continue to do it here because they are so great. But anyway, so the next demonstrator retreat is in October, the 2nd weekend in October. I know I said I wanted this video to be an evergreen video so that new people who are signing up for it can have an idea as to what to expect, because that's what we heard. We heard that people weren't sure exactly what to do. Oh, let me mention something. Even though we designed projects for this event, you do want to also bring your own stuff that you're going to work on, stuff that you're going to create on your own if you have time. So most people sign up for all the classes because like Martinette said earlier, the value is there. We really put a lot of thought into packaging it up so that you get the most bang for your buck. And we want to inspire each other and all the demonstrators. Saturday night we do a PJ party. That's another thing. So at 8:00 p.m. we meet back here for a little pajama party. And in the spring, again, a little bit of business, just a little bit. We play an icebreaker game, which is fun to learn different games that you can take back and use in your own personal business or even in your life. If you have something fun that like at church or at school, and you know, we're always trying to learn new games that you can share for a group. So that's fun. And we try to give you guys a little treat on Saturday night. And I think that's about it. If anybody's watching this who's been to one of our demo retreats and they have something that they can add that I missed out on, definitely comment below. I would love that. And hopefully if you're a demonstrator, for a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, you will join us at one of our next retreats. And if you can't come in person, consider grabbing it to go. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. I'll talk to you all again soon. Bye.